Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Leave the key out of the ignition. Open the rear tailgate and locate the tail light housing. Most Jeep Wrangler rear signals are held with 3 10mm bolts or 2 plastic tabs behind the tailgate liner. Remove the interior access panel or pull back the weather gasket to expose the fasteners. Use a 10mm socket or T15 Torx and a small flat pry tool to release clips. Set bolts aside in a magnetic tray and work in a clean, well-lit area for 8 to 15 minutes. With the tail light assembly free, reach into the housing and grasp the bulb socket. Pull the bulb straight out and twist the socket counterclockwise to release it. Inspect the lamp. Incandescent rear turn signals commonly used in 1157 dual filament bulb. If yours is LED, replace the entire LED module or socket adapter as needed. Check the socket for corrosion and clean with a wire brush if necessary. Apply 1 drop of dielectric grease to the contacts and replace a cracked rubber grommet to maintain a watertight seal before reinstallation. Before final reassembly, reconnect the negative battery terminal and have a helper cycle the turn signal while you observe the rear lamp. Alternately use the hazard switch to test both sides. Verify proper flash rate and brightness. If LED replacement causes hyperflashing, install a 21 ohm resistor or an electronic load equalizer rated for 1157 LED conversions. Reseat the rubber gasket and tighten the tail light bolts to about 3 to 5 ft-pounds to avoid over-tightening. Finish by reattaching the access panel and checking for water intrusion after a short wash.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.